Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to receive money on Payoneer as a freelancer. Now, as you can see here, Payoneer has a direct partnership with thousands of companies including the world's leading freelance, vacation rental, e-commerce and stock photography marketplace. You can visit this page to view examples of companies we work with. You can visit this site. If the company you work with offer Payoneer as a payment option, you can get paid in the following way. In your account, your paying company select Payoneer as your payment option. If you already have a Payoneer account, choose already have a Payoneer account, or if you don't have a Payoneer account yet, you can create it at this stage. Follow these steps to link your account with your platform to your Payoneer account. Once the company sends a payment, it will land directly in your Payoneer account. For an example of how to connect the companies you work with to Payoneer, please refer to this blog post. By this link, visit this site. Different companies may offer you different methods to get paid via Payoneer. Funds can be transferred to your Payoneer balance to a Payoneer card or directly to your bank account via the Payoneer network. The selection of options depends on the company you work with. So this is the easy way to receive money on Payoneer as a freelancer. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.